Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Canon Maxify GX2050 series. Going to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to install the ink bottles and also install the print head. So take the power cable, connect the power cable to this port, push it in, connect it to the power. Switch the printer on and off from this button. Then you select the language, confirm your language, then select your country or region, then you select the date, select the time. If you want to reset the time, you just need to tap on it, then type the time. Then select OK. Do you want to enable auto updates? Select enable. It's recommended. Please wait momentarily. Now I will ask you open the cover. So you lift up the ink tank. Insert a new print head. So we're going to insert the new print head. So what you need to do is hold this, pull it up. The colored one goes to the left. The black one goes to the right. So we're going to insert the print head. Remove this plastic. Then you go in. Do the same thing to black. Remove the plastic. Then you go in. Pull this down. And it's in. Then you select next. Then close this. So it will tell you lift the cover up and slowly close it. It will tell you please wait momentarily. Now open up the ink tank access door. Open. We show you yellow, magenta, so you start with yellow. So yellow is done. Close the cover, close the cap. The next is magenta. Magenta is done. The next is cyan. Fill it up. Close the cap. The last but not the least, black. Fill it up. So the black is done. Close the cap and close the cover. Then you select OK. Now I will show you start alignment to improve print quality. Prepare A4 or letter size plain paper. If you have no paper, you can perform this later. So the next thing to do is we're going to load paper. So open the gasket. Take decent amount of paper. can load various sizes of paper. This is A4, so I'm going to put a bit more. So this is A4. If you want to load photo paper, you need to load photo paper, but also you need to make sure the smooth part face down if you want to load photo paper. And also you can extend this as well. You can extend this paper tray. So before we proceed, you can extend it. You just need to pull this to extend it. So you can load various size, 4x6, A4, etc. A4, liter, B5, A5. So this is A4. Then the next thing to do is you select OK. Select OK. Tap to start, select start. So it's performing alignment, and this will take about 12 minutes. Performing alignment to improve print quality. Do not remove the paper. About 12 minutes remaining, so it will take about 12 minutes. So this is the alignment page you printed out. So this is how to load the papers, install the ink tank, fill up the ink tank, and also install the print head and load the paper. It will ask you, Canon will appreciate your cooperation in allowing your printer to send anonymous information. Then you select next, scroll down and select next. Do you agree with the request? I'm going to select no. Device will not be sent. Then select next. Printer setup is complete. Now you are ready to copy. Then you select next. It will ask you, do you want to connect the computer or smartphone to this printer? So this is how to fill up ink tank system, install print head, load paper, and complete alignment to improve the print quality. Thank you very much indeed.